So some people kind of get a little bit of a mental block in crypto. And what I mean by this is it's very tough to visualize new all-time highs for assets in the space, right? Maybe not BTC, maybe not Ethereum because they've been around as long as they have. But when it comes to Shiba Inu, I've seen a lot of this sentiment. People talking about, SHIB not getting close to its prior all-time high, basically just falling from here. And it's frankly a mental thing, all right? When we look at all these fundamentals that I talk about here on the channel time and time again, the fundamentals have always been good. I've always said the price is a lagging metric. And frankly, when SHIB does breach its all-time high, everything is going to change. It will change 100% because then you have a very different sentiment. You're like, oh crap, SHIB broke its all-time high. What can it reach next? And then you see it start running like some lower cap assets. This is where I think a lot of people are going to be surprised by Shiba Inu. For example, when we look at SHIB and the way it was moving at the end of the bear market cycle, I think many people probably didn't expect SHIB to do one of these, this 4.5x run in a very short period of time. And the reason why it did that again is because we had a huge flow of capital from outside the space. We had this kind of culmination of sentiment. We had a lot of FOMO basically filling in here. And frankly, it was because there was less and less supply available on exchanges. I'm not going to hit too much on that in this video. But when FOMO does kick in, SHIB tends to be one of the highest inflow assets in the space. BTC, Ethereum, SHIB, Solana saw a lot of huge inflows during that time as well. Some others did too. When we talk about how much SHIB actually climbed, we talked about billions and billions of dollars flowing into Shiba Inu in 7 days. Okay. So when SHIB starts to climb back up and starts to breach some of these resistance levels and tries to make, its next move to the upside here, when SHIB does breach its prior all-time high, I believe SHIB's going to move even faster. All right. That's not to say that there isn't, going to be corrections or pullbacks along the way, but the range I keep, and I have people keep asking me this question, the range I've talked about time and time again for Shiba Inu is somewhere in that 305 to 201. That would make a whole lot of sense because of, again, people have this long-term mindset in terms of SHIB. Many people are not selling their SHIB until it gets closer to a cent. And that's cool. People can always do what they want. Me personally, I am taking some profit during this market cycle, but I'm not selling all my SHIB. And the reason why is it's quickly becoming one of the premier assets in crypto. It's already a blue chip. It's one of the top assets in the space. It's breached into the top 10 in this market cycle already. And again, it wouldn't surprise me if we do get somewhere at least close to, if not breach into the top 5 by the end of it. All right. Then you have even more staying power. SHIB will have done something that no meme coin, I'll use the word meme coin loosely here, has ever been able to do. Even SHIB's move early on, guys, was 50% of the way to its prior all-time high. That's very difficult for blue chip, multi-billion dollar assets to do in the start of the bull market cycle. The late market cycle, alt season, when there are higher flows, when there's more optics, when retail is excited, that's when things start to get crazy. All right. So don't be fooled by these times. Don't get stuck in the bearish sentiment right now. Although we've been on this long consolidation, frankly, a huge bull flag, guys. Don't be surprised when the next move is an explosive one, when we breach this all-time high, because again, this will change minds completely. When assets breach their prior all-time high, all bets are off. So I just wanted to share that with everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.